guys, it's your girl Maddie here coming at you guys with a new AFI DIY. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to ring that bell icon to join our notification squad and we can get started making some fun and fragrant reed diffusers. Let's start this project off by adding our botanicals to our reed diffuser bottle. There's many to choose from, each with their own unique look and scent. For this project, I chose to go with these lovely lavender buds for mine. I love lavender, it's probably one of my favorite plants and scents, so why not use it in this project? Now there's tons of different dried flowers, herbs, and other things, so don't be afraid to experiment and figure out what you like best. So I'm just gonna put this funnel on top of here, and I'm just gonna pour it in. Also, don't y'all like my bottle I chose? So cool and funky. All right, just pour a little bit in, just kind of shake it around. All right. Now we need to make our re-diffusing liquid. Now that that is done, this will contain our fragrance of choice and Dalinon DPMA. The DPMA will act as a solvent and help the fragrance oil travel up the reeds of the diffuser and into the air. Without our reed diffusers, wouldn't be able to fragrance as large of a space, and it also ensures that the oil is not too thick to work its way through the hollow channels of the reed. So I'm going to set this off to the side, and I'm going to grab our next ingredient, which is our Dalinon DPMA. So I just need to add my fragrance into this. So I kept the lavender buds in mind when I went to go look for the perfect fragrance, and I settled on AFI's Vanilla Lavender. So this is already pre-measured out, so I'm just gonna dump this into here and give it a quick stir before we add this into here. I feel all my stress is going away. All right, it's gonna be a great day. I'm grabbing my glass stirring rod and I'm just gonna give it a quick stir. So I think this is nice and homogenized, so all we have to do is add this into our reed diffuser bottle, and then we're basically done. So I'm gonna set this off to the side, and then I'm gonna grab my funnel, the same funnel that I used earlier right here. I'm just gonna put it in like so, and then pour it in. Alrighty. And make sure whatever packaging bottle that you choose, that they have lids or stoppers so they can be safely shipped. So this is just the little lid stopper that we use, and we just pop it in like so. But I'm not gonna pop it in because I wanna enjoy this, and I'm gonna put my little reeds in. So 1 second, let me grab my reeds. Alrighty, so don't forget to include like about 10 to 12 reeds for the customer use. So I chose 12. So all you're gonna simply do is just plop them in, voila, you're done. It's pretty simple. It's so fun to use. It looks really, really pretty and aesthetic in your home, so I'm excited to use this. And don't forget, when selecting your reeds for your diffusers, you want them to be rattan or synthetic reeds made specifically for diffusing. Bamboo reeds, chopsticks, and sticks made of non-porous materials, they're not appropriate for use in diffusers. They're not going to help the fragrance go out and about like you want. This product works by drawing up liquid through the hollow cavities of the reed, which occurs most effectively with these proper materials. When you or your customers are ready to use the diffuser, just pop the reeds in and enjoy. You should notice the fragrance wafting into your space quite quickly. These diffusers are a pretty way to keep your house or office smelling great, and the added lavender buds here really add a special touch to it. Try this project out and have fun with different botanical ingredients and fragrances. It costs us about $4 to make ours, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $5 to $7 and retail for $8 to $12. If you want to see more projects like this one, head on over to our channel and check out our DIY playlist. And also, don't forget, we also share tutorials on all of our socials that are linked down below. Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video, so thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you found this video helpful, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one really soon. Bye!